Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at this utility cart from a company called Best Products. We'll get it set up and take a close-up look at it so you guys can see exactly what you'd be getting. Now there is a little bit of setup, but you're just attaching the wheels and brakes, so this should be pretty easy to put together. The two smaller wheels go in front of the cart opposite the handle, and you just push until it snaps into place. Once you have both of those installed, we can then attach the brake system. Make sure the black bar is facing you, and you just snap them into place. Next, you're going to attach the larger wheels to the brakes. There's a little pin you press down on while you're inserting the wheel, and you just slide it in until it snaps into place. Then you'll do the same for the other side, and you're all done with the setup. This moves around great, it's nice and smooth. The cart is also very deep, and it should be durable as it's made of steel. This is going to be perfect for laundry, a large jug of water, or hauling toys or tools. And this can hold up to 100 pounds, which is pretty amazing for a 10-pound cart. I also like that this has brakes on it, so it won't go rolling away from you. So that's definitely a plus. Overall, this is exactly what I was looking for. It's sturdy, it's got plenty of space, and it collapses in half for easy storage. If you're looking for a solid rolling cart, be sure to check this one out from Best Products.